Modzitzer marches. I mean, the Modzitzer rebbe in 1943. I was a young kid then. No, I'm sorry, 1942.
42, yeah.
I remember him at a Shalashuta's third meal, and he was singing a march, and he had wonderful percussive with his hands.
Yeah.
He could do anything. That took the place of all the musical instruments, and he sang this
What was it?
very, very stirring march. I don't remember exactly what it was. And somebody, when he finished, somebody at the back of the room yelled out, "Rebbe, what are you busy, we were chutzpahdik. Why are you busy singing marches?" He said, "We don't have our own flag, we don't have our own tanks, we don't have our own country, we don't have this and that. Why are you busy with marches?" I remember what he said. He said in Yiddish, "Won't it be a tragedy," he says, "if when we finally get our own state, all we can do is take the music of the March Kings of America." Right?
Amazing.
And so to his tribute in the military bands of Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, Haifa, you have Modzitzer melodies.